So I just got done cold calling for the past 2 hours and I wanted to sit down and make this video. I've been meaning to for a while, but I had the flu, which sucked. But essentially what I'm trying to do here with this channel now is not only document, I know I just last video was saying all I'm gonna do is document, but I realized if I'm gonna do the core 4, the Hormozi cold, the core 4, which is cold outreach, one-to-many or one-on-one, or warm outreach, one-to-many or one-on-one, I should do one that I'm very familiar with. And so the main thing I'm gonna do right now is cold calls. That's gonna be my main thing that I commit to doing every single day. Obviously won't be able to do it every day when I have my job because I have no opening to do it, but I'll try. And what I wanna do on the side is content, because I don't just work 4 hours a day. I work, whenever I'm off, I work the whole day. So I wanna do content as well. And really my main thought of what to do is show the actual stuff that I do. Like, it's easy for me to sit here and talk about it, but it sounds super vague and nobody's actually gonna understand what I'm talking about. When I'm talking about building a follow-up sequence, you're like, you know what I mean? Like, if you haven't done this, you don't understand really what exactly is happening. Like, what's the software? How is it being automated and sending to those people? Things like that. So I wanna dive into all of it. And another thing, one promise I do have for this channel is that I'll always be very open about my intentions here. You're never gonna have to guess. So one thing I do wanna do is go high level videos and promote my affiliate link, because the affiliate commission is insane. It's like 40%. I was not aware of that before I started using Go High Level, and I love it. And yes, people say, there's a whole reputation about affiliates promoting it because they say it's just because the commission is so high. But I used it just for myself, not even promoting it, for a long time now, because not a long time, but I've been using it for my business. And when I started my new one, I had no thoughts of using it again, because I personally think it's great. It has some problems, but for the most part, I think it's pretty badass, and I have no problems paying for it every month. It's a no-brainer for me. So I do want to do that. And on top of that, it's going to be me showing how I'm doing all these systems and building everything. So I think it'll be a win-win, because if somebody sees it and they want to sign up, they can. And so, yeah, so I figured that would be an easy way to promote something on here without just pushing my services in every single video, because also I don't think that's the most optimal way to do this anyway. But if I can make side money, why not? Because I would make those videos regardless of if there was an affiliate program or not. So I'm gonna do that, and then hopefully people sign up, who knows? But either way, it's an easy way for me to show you what I'm actually doing. And 99% of it is within that platform, because I'm doing all these automations. My entire business of how I do the AI phone assistant thing, that was built in Go High Level. So I'm gonna start doing, kind of tutorials with the computer and stuff and showing what I'm doing. Because I think it'd be helpful if I saw a video of somebody going through like, oh, this is how I started my business. I just used this software. And, at the same time, if anyone sees it and they want to do it for themselves instead of hiring me, then I don't care. That's totally fine. Like, my goal isn't to make people think that it's not something they can do on their own. My goal is just to, if somebody's lazy and they don't feel like figuring it out, dealing with the system, taking accountability if it goes wrong, then that's on me, and that's what I'm here to do. You know what I mean? So anyway, that's kind of the update of what I want to do with this channel, and just show stuff that's actually useful. And I was trying really hard to figure out a way to do that and to actually make it worth it for me in the meantime while this channel grows, because the reason I haven't posted as much is because it just hasn't been the most important activity, in my opinion. And that sucks, because I want to document, but at the same time, if I'm too busy actually working on the business to make a video, I want to make some incentive that makes it worth it. And I know it's worth it in the long run, but I'm trying to think of right now, what can I do to just get the thing off the ground? And so I've had a few things that have worked really well for me, and I think it would be beneficial to show things like the follow-up sequences, certain automations I'm doing, the way I did the Facebook ads, all that good stuff. I think would be really useful, instead of me just sitting here talking and you trying to picture what the hell I'm talking about. So anyway, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna get back to cold calling, keep an eye out, and yeah, hopefully you like it as much as I do.